discuss about the logical conditions and, or, and not. So and can be used if you have multiple conditions and both the conditions should be true. So in that case we will be using and operator. We have an example here. If you will go by this example, let's understand this example. Okay, let's say I have an employee table where we have a job as clerk. I want to make sure that the person is in the job of clerk and salary is also greater than 1000. I want to select those employees where we have job title as clerk and salary is greater than 1000. So what I will do, I will be executing this query and we will get the results. Like you can see, the job is clerk and the salary is also greater than 1000. What if I put it as or? How it will be different? So now this condition job equal to clerk should be true. Along with that, salary is also true. I mean, either this one is true or that one is true. So in that what happened, like returns true if either component condition is true. So either one of them should be true. If I will execute the result, you will see we are getting multiple results, right? Let's say where the salary is less than 1000 but job is, so that means this particular record is coming from this condition. Okay, here we don't have clerk, so that means this condition is not matching, but this condition is match, means salary is greater than 1000. So this way you can differentiate between and or. Now I will give you more examples so that you can understand well. Now we have a requirement that select all the clerks from the process of information. We have this table where we have process as information technology and we want to select all the clerks from that information technology process. Now if I will execute, you will see you are getting the result where we have clerk and we have process as information technology. Now I'll give you one more example. Select all the clerks with more than salary of 1000. Okay, so this is one condition, and also select technical process employee. That means this is one condition. Select all the clerks with more than salary of 1000. This is one condition and this is another condition. Now how you will do that? You will be writing it different. Now this is one condition. Okay, the job is clerk and salary is 1000. Or select technical process employees, means we need to select all the employees who are from the technical process. So what I will do, I will be selecting this. You can see we are getting the set. Clerk is fine, should be greater than 1000. Manager and president is from technical process. So this is how it. Select all the clerks and salesman. We need to select all the clerks and salesman. What you will do, okay, this is called as other comparison condition. So we have between, in, like, is null. We will discuss about is null, but we have already discussed about like, right? So we need to discuss about between and in, how between will work. So if you have a condition that you need to select between the range of two specified values, then you will be using between. I will take example on that. For now we are going to talk about in. In means match any of a list of values. So let's say we want to select clerk and salesman. So rather than putting and or not or anything, just put in and pass your parameter like this. Okay, in the bracket you will be passing clerk and salesman and execute it, you will be getting the output. Okay, these all are clerk and salesman. If you have any other criteria, you can put it like this. Okay, let's say I want to select manager also. What I will do, I will put manager, it will give me manager as well. Now you can see it is giving me manager also. If you have anything else, you can put. Sometime in organization we pass it from the different table as a select as a part of subquery. So we will discuss about it later when I will discuss about subqueries. For now, if using in, you can pass multiple parameters. Select all the employees salary range between 1000 and 2000 and 4000. So again, like we have a specified range, between that particular range I want to select all employees, their salary coming between 2000 and 4000. So what I will do, I will be writing where salary between 2000 and 4000 like this. So if you will execute, you can see the result 2000 and 4000. This is very easy. Select all the employees with the salary not in the range, means not between. Not in the range means not between. That means you can write select start from salary where salary not between 1000 to 2000. So you can see it is coming 800, 1600, even this is coming 5000, which is beyond 4000. So this is how you can calculate the employees not in the range of 2000 and 4000. 4,000. Now we have a requirement that we want to select all the clerks and salesmen from department number 30 and salary is greater than 1,000. So we have this first requirement, and then we have requirement salary is greater than 1,000. Okay, salary is greater than 1,000, and also we have a requirement that department should be 30. Now you will execute and see the result. So you can see clerk and salesman. Okay, so this is clerk is not falling under this condition, but yeah, salesmen's are there. So we have salary which is greater than 1,000, obviously true, and department number. So this is also true. Clerks are not there, which are falling under this particular condition. All right. You can also write select a star from employee where salary is less than 500 or salary. This way you can write salary which is 500 to 1,000 where salary is greater than 500 or salary is then. So this way you can write what it is showing. It is showing two conditions. One, salary is salary is less than 500, and or salary is less than 500. Do we have any salary? No. Or salary is greater than 2,000. So it is showing all the salaries where we have value as more than. All right. So discuss about the case statement, but before that I will discuss about null statement. How to deal with null. Okay. So whenever you have a requirement that I want to select null values, then you will be writing is null. Where let's say I know we have null value here, right, under manager. So what I will do, I will be writing where manager is null like this. You can where manager is null. If I will say is not null, means it will be giving me the list of values where we don't have null use. So this is how we deal with null value. We will be using is keyword. Okay, so if I will write equal to, it will equal to can't be used with null key. It will give you error. All right, now we will discuss about we have already discussed about this rules of precedence, order by we have already discussed. We will be discussing about case statement. Okay, which evaluates a list of conditions and returns one of multiple possible result expressions. The case expression has two formats. The simple case expression compares an expression to a set of simple expression to determine the result. The searched case expression evaluates a set of boolean expression to determine the results. This is your syntax. Here you write simple case expression, case, input expression, when, then, and then you can write else statement, and then you will be writing end statement. So this is how you can write your case statement. For example, let's say I have a requirement that I want to on this employee table. Let's take this example on employee table. Okay, on this employee table we have salary. Okay, I want to categorize if salary is below 1,000, then it will be BPL. I want to show that value BPL, and we have green yellow card for salary between 1,000 and 1,500, yellow card. Then we have green card between 1,500 to 2,000. Then we have beyond 2,000 blue card like this. Okay, so how you will do this? We have to use case statement. So in case statement, normally what you start with, you will be starting select column name. So for column name we have used star, and then we will be writing case, and we will be writing our condition when salary between. First condition 0 to below 1,000 means 0 to 1,000, and job is clerk. We have given this one more condition which is not required. We can ignore this or we can delete it. Okay, if you have a requirement that you want to specify only clerks, then you can write condition, but if it is not, then you can ignore. Yeah, so this is our condition. When salary between 0 to 1,000, then BPL, and then when salary between 1,000 to 1,500, then yellow. When salary between 1,500 to 2,000, then green. When salary is greater than 2,000, then blue. And as employee type and from so this way, if I will execute, you will be able to see we are able to calculate employee type. Okay, we have given as a column name employee type for this case statement. Whatever the value we are generating through this case statement, we have given a name as employee type, or whatever you want you can put it. So yellow means salary between 1,000 and 1,500. So that's correct, it is 1,250, which is less. So this is how you can write your case statements. You can write complex conditions using and or, and you can also write wildcard. There are so many things you can do along with case statement. So It is just simple as your select state. So in the previous session, we discussed about the select statement, and now we are going to discuss about group by statement in SQL. So how it works. So basically, whenever we need group wise information, for example, let's want to find the number of employees in each job role in employee table, then we need group state. So how it works, the group by statement group rows that have the same value into summary, like find the number of customer in okay. So the group by statement is often used with aggregate functions like count, max, min, sum, average. These are the aggregate functions available in it to group the result set by one or more column. And this is the syntax. Here what we write, select column name from table name, then we write our where condition if required, and then we write our group by and order. Now we will see this example. Find the number of employees in each job role in so as we have discussed, we will be selecting, we will be following this since we will write select column names. Let's say we have employee table. Let me show you how this employee table looks like. So this is your employee table. We need to get the each job roles count of jobs, right? Find the number of employees means count of jobs. So what I will do, I will be writing job and then count of, you can put a star, or if you want you can put job, anything, count of this job, and this will be called as total employee. I am going to alias this will total like, and then I will be writing group by job. When you will execute this, I don't need any where clause. I don't need, that's why I have not used where condition here. I don't need order by at this point of time. I'm not going to. You can like analyst, we have two analysts in the table, four clerks in the table, three managers in the table, one president in the table, and four salesmen in this table. Similarly, you can add more example. Let's say I want to see distribution of salary in each job roles, each job. So this way we can write, as we have discussed, we can use these aggregate functions, count, max, min, sum, average. We are going to use it. When you will execute, it will give you total salary, distribution of salary against job. So this is very easy to use. You can also use, let's say I don't want to see the salary of those group where we have sum of salary is 6,000, even more than that. I don't want to see those salary distribution where we have above than 6 salary distribution. So what you will do, you will be using having clause. So we don't use where clause, we use having clause on group of information. So you will be writing having sum of salary greater than 6,000. When you will execute, it is showing only manager is the job category where we have salary above than 6,000. If you want to verify your data, you can check your previous statement. So you can see everything is lesser than 6,000. In analyst is 6,000, but manager is above than 6,000. If I will put equal to, I will get two inputs. See, we are getting two inputs. Analyst is also and manager. So this way you can use having clause. If you want to exclude the clerk, you can use exclude. I mean, you want job is not equal to clerk. So what will happen? It will not include clerks. It will work on other, and we can also use order by salary. We have used it here. You can see we have already excluded clerk job role, and we are grouping it by the job and order by salary. So this way you can generate the. So these are the examples that we have discussed. Other than this, if we need, we can use roll up. So let's say we have process. First, we want to generate the information based on the process. Then we want to generate the information about the job, and what kind of information will be there. So it will be sum of salary against each employee. So when you will execute group by roll up, it will be giving you the information like information technology. In information technology process, we have analyst, their salary contribution is 6,000, and if you will go by technical, so their salary contribution is 13. If you will go by the salesman, so only information technologies having salesman, which they are sharing 5,600. So this way you can use group by roll up. If you have multiple columns, you can add more columns here. And what is this null? So basically this is giving you a total of information technology, total contribution of salary for information technology, and this is for technical, and this is your total solution. This is your grand, you can say this is your subtotal, this is your subtotal, and this is your grand total. So that's how you can use group by roll up. And now in the next session we will see about other DML states inside.